Okay, it's 7 minutes past 3 in the afternoon.
Okay.
It's the 20th or the 21st, is it?
20th.
20th.
It's my mum's birthday.
July 20th.
Yeah. So around this outer ring I'm not picking up anything much, it's just like a neutral position, but when I get to a certain point around here they start to pull to the directional thing. Now I was picking up the same reaction further in, on the same point. So what I think it is, I can't be sure because I haven't dowsed the whole thing, but I think what it is that there's some kind of line going through, and it probably aligns with the very corner of the field, the very sort of point to near where the signpost is at the bottom, and it aligns through the centre of the crop circle, and there's something over there. I'd have to check on a map. But I noticed there's a trig point at the top there, and it's worth having a look on the map to see if it aligns with that, because the trig point may well be on the highest part of the hill.
Okay.
So anyway, shall we go into the next little bit? So I'm not getting a great deal in these bits, but there is one place where it does react. And that's here, which is kind of it's like a sort of focal point for these little blade things. In this pattern, there's a sort of point around which all of the rest of the crop is swirled, and I'm getting a crossover reaction there, which for me that's a negative response.
Okay.
The only other place I've been getting responses is on the really thin little paths. Let's go down one of those.
Oh yeah.
And tell you what happens. It's been the same on all of them. So I'm just on a more neutral position here. But when I go here, they cross over. They stay crossed. And very often I find I get a reaction just in the entrance when I go through from one part of the pattern to another. But here I'm finding that they're crossed over all the time that I'm on these paths.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, I don't want to disturb you.
No, but you're wanting
Just go around this. Here we go.
Oh yeah.
It's a directional thing, so it's coming from outside the circle going in, because whichever way I turn, the rod's still pointing the same, they're swinging about a bit, but so it's something that aligns with that corner of that.
Yeah.
really good.
Yeah. Well, they always do.
I'm used to dowsing energy lines. I'm not sure what I'm doing. Are you setting an intention
I'm trying to be as open-minded as possible, rather than assuming I'm going to find anything particular. But it is energy lines that I'm basically looking for. And sometimes you get energy lines coming in, which I think there is one coming through here. But what I often find is that you get small localised reactions at certain points in crop circles. That's I find. I don't make any claims to being a master dowser or anything, so I don't know if what I'm finding is anything particular, but that's what I always seem to get little points at which will either cross over or go out.
Right. Do you have a map those later on?
I usually try to draw a diagram, yeah. Oh, sorry to interrupt you.
I'll be being here
Yeah, we've got crossed over there again.
Yeah. Has someone made that?
I think they
One.
have. It doesn't look quite right, does it? I'm going to go through the other one. I don't like going through the ones that have been forced.
No.
There's something wrong about it.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. Oh, we've got concentric rings again. Nice, I haven't seen one of those for a little while. We had some like this last year. This is the first time I've had one this year. Right, so there's only three different bands.
So what does that
Not
mean
re-
when they both cross when you're out here?
Well,
They just both
it's-
suddenly went like that.
when they cross like that, that's just for me. It may be different for other people. It's just a very strong crossed over reaction. So that's the kind of normal crossed over reaction. But if it's really strong, it will kind of cross all the way.
Yeah.
But that's just a personal thing. I don't know if other people have the same experience. I'll just try it from the other side. They're very keen to cross over.
I should be in front of you.
And right in the middle they cross over again. So I'm getting a lot of crossed over reactions in this formation, more so than I normally do. I don't know what that means. I try not to have theories. I'm just looking for stuff. I'm not coming up with nutty theories, but that's what I think that this central circle has got concentric rings of whatever it is. And
Okay.
that's about it really.
Okay.
It's quite a small formation, so it didn't take long to douse the whole thing really.
Do you think so? Is it
Yeah.
small?
Well, it's simple. It's small. I don't know. It's not that small, but it's smallish compared to a lot of the ones we've been to.
Yeah.
And it's not got lots of complex little bits and
No,
pieces.
it's not a complex
It's
one.
quite a straightforward pattern.
It's
But I
very
like
perfect looking, isn't it?
It is.
From the air, and these the thin lines which start from the
they're
centre
very
and go out.
delicate.
The curves, they're very good.
Yeah. And I really like the very simple crop circles. I often find they have really nice vibes. Really, really nice. And also fewer people visit them because people want to see the big spectacular ones. I think the small, simple ones are underrated. That's my view. That's about it.
Okay. Thank you, Rebsie.
You're welcome.